Hey guys, welcome back to Bird Temper Tantrum. Red's gonna unwrap his Christmas presents right now. Red? Alright! But first, what we're gonna start off, as if we are going to start off this. Did Santa come, Red? Yes, he came. I got what I want for Christmas. A football. Oh, that's great. God, I got a stuffy nose. Stuffy. You went actually. Wow. Do you know where it's in? How I should have got you a stocking before Christmas. That's okay. I have mine in my room. Okay. What did Santa give you? He gave me Dear DNA. Wow, Dear DNA? Yeah. A remote control butterfly? Sweet, we should test this out in the next video, should we? Yeah, let's do that. Good. And some candy. Okay. Alright, unwrap this present. Wow! A microscope? Yeah. Yeah! Thank you, Eddie. You're welcome. I'm just gonna set it up here for a while. Now let's unwrap this big guy. No way! A Power Wheel fire truck? Yeah, Red. I thought I got it for like, I don't remember what percent it was off, but it was pretty cheap. Wow, thank you, Eddie. Yep. It also comes with a ladder. Now I can climb trees and hunt squirrels. Yeah. So, well guys, Bird Temper Tantrum signing off. Bye. Yep, we'll see you guys. So for the next video, we will be doing the remote control butterfly up there. So thank you for watching.